Planning to move to the United States but confused about how the immigration system actually works? Let's break it down in simple terms. In today's video, we will understand the basics of the U.S. immigration system. Many people want to move to the United States for education, jobs, business, or permanent settlement, but the system often feels complicated because there are many visa categories and government agencies involved. The U.S. immigration system is the legal framework that allows foreign nationals to enter, stay, work, study, or permanently settle in the United States. It is mainly governed by the Immigration and Nationality Act. 3 key agencies manage the process. USCIS handles immigration petitions and benefits. The Department of State issues visas through embassies and consulates, and Customs and Border Protection controls entry at airports and land borders. There are 2 main types of visas. Non-immigrant visas are temporary and issued for specific purposes. Examples include the F1 visa for students, the H-1B visa for skilled professionals, B-1, B-2 visas for business or tourism, L-1 visas for company transfers, and O-1 visas for individuals with extraordinary ability. Immigrant visas are for people who want to live permanently in the United States and obtain a green card. Major employment-based categories include EB-1, EB-2, EB-3, EB-4, and EB-5. There are also family-based visas where U.S. citizens or permanent residents sponsor relatives. Because many visa categories have annual limits, applicants often face waiting lines based on priority dates listed in the monthly visa bulletin. Understanding these basics is the first step for anyone planning to study, work, or settle in the United States.